So hello everyone. So I am doing my PA for my trade of the Microsoft. So I was holding for 2 days of that, the Wednesday and Thursday. But for some reason my option, not a lot of people buying. So it's supposed to be a win at the same time and loss, but because I decided to hold it for 2 days. I think the one part I need to train myself is not holding for 2 days. But the overall, there's some reason why I wanted to hold it for 2 days because I'm seeing the bigger picture of the area of the owner, which is the daily. So it was hitting this area, so it's reactive from that part, and just a really short term of short, and didn't really put like big sizes, just low risk sizes like $10, $9. But $10, it was good enough for me to be comfortable to lose it and comfortable to win, because I could see the bigger picture. If your trade is right, like $10 could turn to 200 from there. So that part, it was I gained the profit, but the thing is that the stock thing gave me that profit of that, because probably the people are not buying it as much as a put. So I'm playing as an option. So right now I just did another put and yesterday Friday, just extend my expiration to just to hold it to this area, take profit. But yeah, see where this will go. Um, a very low risk. I'm doing counter trend, but the overall, it's not like I want counter trend or not. Is overall when I'm looking at the weekly, it is kill of this area of the seller, but overall I'm still aware because I have still have to face of this area over here and just go downer. So I had this area to have to deal with it to make a range. So very small risk putting down puts. So yeah, see how tomorrow go. But the thing is that one thing I master is more identify my risk and not going too crazy of all my emotional with like putting everything down and going big. And especially I want to grow my account from there. There we go. So that is my PA of the day of the Friday, Thursday, and Wednesday, and from there.